$999 for the recent order of Apple iPhone 16 Pro on your account. If you do not authorize this payment, please press 1 to speak to our customer support representative. The line has been connected to the Amazon customer. Or how can I help you today?
Hello?
Yes, well.
Hello? I'm eating cow in India.
Amazon customer service. This is Joe.
What's up, Joe?
You
Yeah.
say?
Yo, Joe, what's up, man?
Customer service from Amazon. How can I help you?
Yes, would you like to eat some cow shit?
I would like to talk to your mom.
Oh, no, you would like to eat some cow shit.
Amazon customer service.
What's
This is
up?
Joe.
What's up, Joe?
What's up? You say?
What's up, man? Where you at? Where you at? Philippines, Vietnam, where you at?
I'm at New York City.
No, you're not. You never been to New York City. You don't even know where New York City is.
You bet I do.
Yeah, sure.
Your call is very important to us. Please
Sure
stay on the line
is.
and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Uh-huh. This is three people working.
Calling Amazon, this is Max Miller. How may I help you?
Matt Miller, you again?
Yes,
we
sir.
we spoke before.
When?
Yes, last time you were asking me for my credit card information. You wanted to go shopping. You motherfucker. I can do this all day long.
Thank you for reaching Amazon. How can I help you?
Yes, hi. Somebody called me. I don't know what happened.
Thank you for reaching Amazon. How can I help you?
Yes, please help me.
What's
Hello?
the issue? Can you please address me?
Yes, please. What is your name? Customer service. I don't know.
Sorry?
Your name for customer service. Somebody call me.
Your call is very important to us.
Yes,
Please stay on the line and you'll be
sure.
transferred to the
Sure is. Very important.
The line has been connected to the Amazon customer support. How can I help you today?
Yes, please. Somebody help me. Maybe somebody call me. Say something. iPhone. I don't know.
Sorry?
Somebody call me. Say is somebody iPhone. You have
Somebody
iPhone.
call me.
iPhone. Somebody call me. Hello.
Yes, for my help.
Yeah, somebody call me about iPhone. I don't know.
All right. They won't be calling you again, okay?
Oh,
Bye-bye. Have a
great,
good day.
great, great, great.